Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and today I want to show you one simple method that can help you get up from the floor with the same comfort you had in your younger years. You can do this safely at home with no kneeling, no pushing on furniture, and no strain. You can even try it right now. Many people think they struggle to get up because they are weak, but that is usually not true. The real reason is that the body forgets the movement when we stop practicing it. It is just like riding a bicycle after many years. Your strength is still there. Your body simply needs a gentle reminder of the right steps. I call this the CRAWLS method. First, calm yourself. Take a slow breath and remember that you are already on the floor, so you are safe. Next, reach one arm across your body on your stronger side. This arm becomes your support. Then adjust your knees by bending one or both in a comfortable way. Now comes the important transition. Walk one leg underneath your body by sliding it through and shifting a little weight onto your hands. Take your time. After that, level yourself into a small plank or bear position with your hands and feet on the floor and your hips slightly raised. Pause here for a moment to feel steady. Then stand up slowly by walking your hands back toward your legs or by walking your legs towards your hands, whichever feels easier. Practice this once a day so your body remembers the sequence. Always stay safe by having a sturdy chair or another person nearby if needed. My 89-year-old grandmother uses this same method, even with severe knee arthritis. And she gets up from the floor with confidence because she practices regularly. Thank you for watching Gentle Health.